What's going on, YouTube? Thought I'd give an update on one of chevelle builds I got going on. Just completed the chassis on this 71 chevelle convertible. I'll start with the front. It's a LSA with the Wagner Motorsports front accessories. Highly recommend them. It's got a 10% overdrive, and then we got the 2.35 for the underdrive. This one got ultimate headers, long tubes. We did Mass Motorsport heads on this too. Cammed it. Blower is fully CNC ported out from Joker's Fab. Brick is also reinforced. Going with the AM fittings off of this. I'll give you a little preview of the inside there, how it's supported out. And I said again, this is a Joker's Fab on the port. So it got ported out so much that we had to actually notch the water pump down to clearance where they ported it out, welded it in. So this thing's pretty massive, man. I'm just waiting on Wagner Motorsports valve covers that we're getting also painted to match, and then we're gonna get them CNC'd. It's all painted really nice blue. Actually, the water pump's painted too, and actually the block is painted too. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a little dusty. Well, there you go. Block's all painted too. The starter got painted too. And this has a Mass Motorsports oil pan on it, DR6060. So I'm running a monster clutch setup, and so this might be our first on a chevelle. Obviously not our first for a TR60, but maybe for a chevelle. Got sequential shifters on this. Just got done actually installing it. It's pretty crazy setup here. So it's a positive and negative downshift. So basically tap, tap, tap down will get you to positive upshifts, and up will take you through negative shifts. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then this is your park neutral lockout. So it's actually a neutral now. So it's kind of hard to do this right now one-handed here. And actually, let's see if I can do this. Let's see, we are in, that's reverse. So this would be neutral, and then we'll just tap this forward and go into reverse right now. Oh, actually back. Okay, there we go. So that's actually reverse. And then we go forward, we'll get it back into neutral. That's neutral. And then this lever would bring that down, but it's kind of hard because this TR6060 here has a tail shaft that needs to get bolted into the body. So that would go down, and then you'd basically pull back and you'd be in first gear. So let's see if I get this for you. That's first. That'll be second. So we'll tap back down, get it back to first gear. First gear. There you go. And then we'll bring it back up, and then pull back, and now we're in reverse. See, car won't go nowhere. Tap forward, go back to neutral, and we're neutral. Tires. Now we're rolling. So, whew. Took some breath out of me doing that. But pretty crazy. You still got to use a clutch, but it's no skip. Just keep on tapping it back. And I'll take it back out back over here. We got a Mosier rear end. Mosier rear end back here. This one got a short end, 1 inch. And we do have Willwood disc brakes, 14-inch in the back. And let's see what else I got here. We got a full Global West front and back suspension. Coilovers for Global West. I actually would highly recommend them for any kind of rear coilover system on this, and let me explain why. This crossbar here actually locks in here and here, and then the coilover actually bolts up to this crossbar. Reason I like that, because it's taking off the load that you'd mostly get putting your coilovers directly here, and not having no crossbar. So this gives the load all here on this bar and kind of distributes across. So Global West, in my opinion, is one of the best on the coilover systems. This one does have billet lower control arms. Viking double adjustable, and custom billet. Filter installed for the breather. So, pretty dope setup. So just waiting for the body to get done, and then we'll get this thing over there and lined up with it. So stay tuned for this one. I'll attach the build to the other videos for this particular one. Man, thanks for watching.